What's happening, guys? My name is Yusef Zad, and today we're going to be talking about money, investing, trading, and all about saving. And I'm going to be teaching you how you can start investing into gold or into the gold market in the stock market. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so today we're going to be talking about specifically all about gold. And gold is one of those topics that is one of my favorite topics. And after stock market, gold is one thing that I love purchasing and investing into, just because gold is one of those things that it's been always going up over the years. It never really goes down that much, and it always has a great potential in the time, just like right now, in the times that basically the virtual money, the money that you have into the stock market, the money that you have in stocks, or the money that you have basically in your bank, sometimes it can be wiped out right away. The bank goes into bankruptcy, or anything that happens to your virtual cash could basically disappear. What you're gonna be left with is the physical money that you have in the house, or the physical gold or silver or any precious metal that you have in the house. That's when it's going to be very important. So today we're going to be talking about how you would be able to actually invest into physical gold, where you would be able to buy it, and what is the best route for you to start investing into the gold. One of my most favorite websites to buy gold from is Bullion Exchange. Bullion Exchange is one of the websites that are super friendly. They're really nice with their customer service, and honestly, the shipping is pretty damn quick. And the minimum purchase for free shipping is only, I believe, $79. So it's a great starting point for you to be able to study and figure out what is the type of gold or silver that you like to invest into. And as you know, there's multiple different brands, there's multiple different precious metal that you would be able to invest into. You have gold, you have silver, you have palladium, and you have a lot of different types of precious metal that you would be able to invest into. But one of my favorite ones is definitely gold. Gold has been around for such a long time, and it's still a great asset if you like to invest your money into and feel safe about it, because guess what, you're gonna be keeping it to it, and you're gonna be holding it in your house, and you're gonna be basically protecting that from the days that like this, that maybe precious metal or physical cash in your hand would be more valuable than anything around the world. Definitely my best one that I would say that it would be great for you guys to research is between gold and silver. You definitely don't want to spend all your money and do all your investment into just one precious metal. A lot of the times people like to go 70-30 between gold and silver, or 60-40, but definitely a little bit more on the gold and a little bit less on the silver side, because silver doesn't fluctuate much, but gold always rapidly goes up, and it's a great investment for a lot of you guys who want to spend money into the gold. One thing that I love about gold is basically you would be able to purchase it from the online stores, and they can just ship it to your house safely. And like I said, one of my favorite websites is Bullion Exchange. And one thing that you're gonna learn about buying gold is the gold prices is not the price that you're gonna be paying when you're purchasing gold. And there's something called premium. Premium is basically the amount of money that you pay to the broker or to the person who's selling the gold to you. It could be gold coin, it could be gold bar, or it could be just raw gold in different shapes that you would be able to purchase. One of my favorite brands to buy gold is PAMP. PAMP is one of the basically the minings that have been around for so many years, and they have a great quality gold that you would be able to purchase from half a gram all the way to a kilo. And that's a great diversity that you would be able to buy any amount in any size and in any weight. And basically you can purchase anything from half a gram all the way to a couple of grams, all the way to a kilo, which would be very expensive. But the good thing about being able to buy gold is you can buy them in such a small amount and start saving them. But one thing that you have to realize is the bigger your purchase is, the smaller your premium is going to be compared to the amount of gold that you're basically buying. So if you buy half a gram of gold, the amount of premium that you're going to be paying is going to be significantly more than when you buy 5 grams or 10 grams. And I'm going to show you a couple of my basically golds that I purchased myself. I'm going to show you on the website, and I'm going to be able to show you also physically the ones that I have. I'm going to be basically posting the pictures for you so you would be able to get yourself familiarized with the website. You can click through different brands. My favorite one is definitely PAMP, and just because I love gold bars more than the gold coins, just because gold coins you have to be a little bit more educated, you have to actually research about them. They do come in different dates, they do come in different basically prints. But the easy part about gold bars is you can just choose your brand and start investing into that brand and buy from that brand, and you don't have to necessarily worry about the dates on them or basically which shape or pattern they have on them, and it's a little bit easier for you to be able to just purchase them and not worry about them. My favorite is definitely 2.5 to 5 gram bars, which are easiest one, and they're roughly about $150 price point. And I'm gonna post a link for you down there for the 2.5 and 5 grams, so you can just click on them and go to the website and see how they actually price. And there's different ways that you would be able to purchase them. You would be able to purchase them basically with your PayPal, with your credit card, with your debit card, or you can link your bank account and purchase them through different parts. But one thing that I really recommend for you guys is make sure if you pay with your credit cards and basically you're collecting points, you pay the whatever amount that is due end of the month, so you're not paying interest on top of that on your credit card, because that would be basically losing money into the value of the gold that you're basically purchasing for your investment. So don't forget to pay it every month, all of it in full, before you actually start going deficit into the investment that you're making. Honestly, my favorite part about investing into the gold is you have physically in your hand all the gold that you purchase. You can basically have them secure with you at all time, and you can physically touch it, feel it, how it actually weighs, how it looks, and it kind of gives you the gratification of seeing something right away in the house in your hand. And a lot of the times when you invest into the stock market or you purchase stocks or bonds, you don't have something physically in your hand, so you don't get that feeling that you purchased something and you have invested your money in something physical, just like real estate, that you can purchase actually something and you can actually see that thing physically by your eyes. So this is definitely one thing that I love about investing into the gold. And I'm gonna link another website that basically it's called JM Bullion. JM Bullion is again one of the most popular websites that you would be able to purchase gold in a different prices, but you have to always compare the different websites to see which one offers the best value and a better pricing, because sometimes they do have promotions that you would be able to purchase gold from different websites and be able to save a couple of dollars here and there depending on the volume and the weight of the gold that you're purchasing. Again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any problem with purchasing gold. A lot of the times you would be able to purchase different types of gold, or basically different Ks. If it can be 18K, it could be 24K, but usually gold comes in 24K. So especially with the PAMP brand, you would be able to purchase the 24K, and it is basically one of the most purest golds that you would be able to purchase. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, leave me a comment down below, smash the like button, and hope to see you guys soon. Ciao.